Our current story has been one heck of a ride. I can honestly say that I began our relationship dragging my knuckles and carrying a club, and have progressed to building a fire in a cave. Meaning, I have made improvements, but have a long way to go. Your patience, grace, and faithfulness towards me and our relationship has without a doubt been the main ingredients to us building a rock-solid foundation for us to build a future on.
Brett, thank you. Thank you for choosing me. Thank you for loving me, even on days when I make it hard. Thank you for being the place I can call home. In 7 years, my love for you has never wavered, and I promise it never will. Every compromise and tough road we have been down has been worth it to be standing here today, calling you my husband.
I vow to put your needs before my needs, strive to give more than I receive, all while not keeping score, even though I'd probably win. I vow to praise your name to myself and others. I vow to lead our family the best way that I know how. I vow to put first things first, be present in the moment, and give you the quality time that I know that you need. I vow to remain faithful and love you until the end of time. Love you.
I promise to always be your biggest supporter and remind you of the big dreams you have when your mind begins to wander. I vow to not just listen, but to validate you. I promise to always let you grab my hand, even if it's just to check my veins. I promise to accept your flaws and strengths, and I promise to always make our family's love and happiness my priority. I vow to always water our yard when the grass looks greener, and I promise to always pursue you. Lastly, I promise to love the person that you become as much as I love the one standing here today.
Now we can officially call you a son. I have one piece of advice. Lavon and I have been married 35 years. It took me 20 years to figure out she was always right. Hopefully you're not a slow learner like me.
Brett and I were 5 years apart, but growing up, he took me everywhere he could with him. Him and his friends always had my back. Anywhere he went, I was with him. Brett, you've turned into a great man with a big heart, and you're willing to help anybody and everybody that there is. You have helped me in so many different ways, and I'm forever grateful for that.
Brett, over the years, I've gotten to know you and see the joy you bring to Kristin. This is hard for me to say, giving my family bleeds crimson and blue, but I truly believe Kristin has found her one true wildcat. Kristin, you know I love you as a sister and how fortunate I am to have you in my life. We have always been there for each other, and that will never change. So cheers to Brett and Kristin.
All When most people think of a soulmate, they're usually referring to a spouse, but I truly believe a very best friend can be your soulmate too, because I've experienced it firsthand. I know a friendship like ours is rare, and I'm eternally grateful for Kristin.
Even before this day, I've seen Kristin and Brett fall in love over and over many times. This is a recipe for a successful, happy marriage.
Today I'm most excited to have fun and just enjoy being with family and friends and him.
By the power vested in me by openministry.com, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Brett Nelson, you may kiss your bride.
I'm most excited about making this official and getting the planning and the details over with and just moving on, starting the next chapter.